Awareness is not the finish line. That's where a lot of people get stuck. And they notice the pattern once, catch the reaction once, take the breath once, and because they can see it now, they think they're free from it. But seeing the prison is not the same as leaving it. Awareness is the gate. It's the first opening. It's the moment you stop being completely owned by the pattern. Before awareness, the reaction feels like you. That anger feels like you. The fear feels like you. Defensiveness feels like you. The impulse feels like truth. You don't say, I'm experiencing anger. You say, I am angry. You don't say, a fear pattern's moving through me. You say, this is who I am. That is captivity. Not because the feeling exists, but because you have no separation from it. Awareness creates that separation. For the first time, you can see the thing moving inside of you. You can see the old stories rise. You can see the body tighten. You can see the need to defend. You can see the urge to explain yourself. You can see the familiar version of you trying to take the throne again. And that moment matters because what you can see, you can question. And what you can question, you can interrupt. And what you can interrupt, you can govern. But this is why awareness alone is not enough. Awareness shows you the pattern. It does not remove the pattern. It shows you the gate. It doesn't walk you through it. That's why someone can say, I know I do this. I know I overreact. I know I shut down. I know I chase validation. I know I keep returning to the same thing and still repeat it anyway. Because knowing is not governing. Seeing is not commanding. Recognition is not transformation. Awareness only gives you access to the work. Awareness doesn't make you free. Awareness shows you where you're still captive. So when the gate opens, don't mistake that for arrival. That first moment of awareness is sacred. But it's also a responsibility because now you can no longer say, I didn't know. Now you saw it because the pattern's been exposed. Now the question becomes, will you obey it again? Or will you step inside the citadel and learn to govern what's been governing you?